Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you a video tutorial on how to assess your students' work on the assignment using the rubric against the standards or the KPI. So supposing you have already assigned a project or an assignment to your students, so click on View Assignment, or you may also click on the Assignment tab on the top of your screen. So I'll be going to edit assignment because I have already assigned this to them. So if you just have to plan to assign a task for your students, we should put a rubric on it. I know most of you have already experienced or know how to put a rubric, but I'm just going to give you for some who just started. So new rubric could be created, or you can have some of your saved rubric before. So you can also use this and edit at the same time. So I have already here my rubric. So I will just change the title because it's fraction. Now I'm going to use it for science against plants. So in here, I'm going to get one of the statements from the KPI or from our state. So I'm going to copy one from there. Okay, so click on allow. That means you allow that to be copied. Then go back to your rubric. Then from here, you can paste your statement. So ask relevant questions and use different types of scientific inquiries. This is for science now. So I have also put some criteria here where students who will get S plus will get at least 21 to 25 scores. Students who will get S or secure will get at least 16 to 20 scores out of 25. Then the working with 10 to 15, and for beginning 5 to 10. I'm pretty sure most of the students will get at least 5 with your help and of course it's their parents. So then you can attach this to your work. Okay, so a rubric is already attached to the assignment. So I click on update. Okay, now I could go to one of the students' work here. I will click on the work. Okay, so the student's work will appear. So after marking and reviewing the student's answers, you may go to your rubric, click on this rubric. You can see already here the preset criteria that you have set on your rubric. Okay, so the students got perfect score, for instance. Click on the first one, students were able to answer 21 to 25 questions. That is on the S plus level. So click also, you may add feedback on here, like saying great job, and a statement. You were able to answer questions about plants correctly. Or you may use the statement also, or the KPI statements for that. Then click on done. Okay, so once you click on done, the scores will appear in here and you're going to return this to the students. When you click on return, okay, the the piece of work will go back to the students with your feedback and the KPI on it. The students will only going to see the KPI and the feedback once they have clicked on, when you have seen on the report an icon that shows like this on their report. Once they click on it, they will see the report and they can read your feedback. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something today. Have a great day. Bye.